Hi everyone, today we're having an investigation with water and we're going to look at how to make a siphon, about water pressure and also about how water finds its level. I've coloured some water red so we can actually see what's going to happen here. I've got a couple of glasses, a platform, some straws and scissors and tape as well. The first thing I'm going to do is, with these straws here, just trim off a little bit with this one here, just by that bendy part there, just to get that size like that. And then what I'm going to do is just make a little slit here, because this straw is going to go into the other one here. And by having that little slit there, it just makes it easier to push that in. It's very important that we have no gap here that air can get through. So I'm going to use a little bit of tape, put some here, and wind that around, just carefully here, just to check that it is nicely sealed. I have a bit much tape here, and in fact if we use it for too much, the tape is not very waterproof, but it'll seal it for now for what we're going to do. Just wind that round nice and smooth. There we go, round, round, round. There we are. Now, the straw, I'm just going to bend that over. We've got that lovely bend, and it's about the same height, but that's about what I'd like us to do. Now, what I'm going to do is put that into the water and make sure the bend, it's really important that the bend goes into the water level. Now, and I put my finger on top here, that sealed the water inside. See the water there? What we're going to do is we're going to put that over, and water is going to try and find its way out. It always does that, it tries to find its way out. So what I'm going to do is that there is going to go lower than the water in the vase, and if I put it down like that, watch what happens, it pours itself out. And that's what you call a siphon. And water can go from one height to the other. It's actually going uphill and down. This sort of practice has happened for countless years. Ancient days they used to use things like this for all sorts of water irrigation. Now that's filling up nicely. I'm just going to quickly use a second cup here and put that in, because I want to show you another very cool thing here, because the water pressure is that's something like that. If I put it up and the water's still going in, whoops, there, but we'll find as the water, see how it's going up now? But as we get to the same height in the water level, it's going to stop. See that? They're both at found. That's what you say when you found this equilibrium. Both at the same height now. That water won't push down any further, and it won't go up any further. Hey, you have a fun time trying, having a play and working around and investigating the water with this. Bye now.